It's a snow day, guys. It's 7 a.m. Time to get up. We went shopping. Let's see what's going on out here. Daddy got the donuts. It's only been snowing for about a half an hour. Come on, Spud. Come on, it's okay. Come on out. It's snowing. Come on. Come on, Bodie boy. Come on, Spud. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the snow. It's the snow. Oh, yeah. I want the donuts. It's 7 a.m. so far. It's falling about half an inch to 3/4 of an inch an hour. Hey, you. Look at that. Good God. Good God, y'all. Who wants the donuts? You want the donuts? All right, let's go out here. I got the donuts. I went to Dunkin' Donuts already, been to the food store. Let's see, here's the cats. Come on out, Chuck. What the hell's going on in here? They don't want to come out. They don't want to come out. Let's see what we got going on here. Come on, buddy. Come on out. Oh, look at the snow. Look at this. Look at this snow. Wow-wee. Look at that. Come on, buddy. Come on out, Willie. He doesn't want to come out. Bodie boy, is this your first snow? Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Already. Getting covers going on here. Here we go. Molly, you want the donut? All right, let's go get it. Where's the donuts? Where's the donuts, Bodie? We're making a mess in here. There's Chuck. Look out. Whoa. Where's the donuts? Here they are. Here's the donuts. What do we got here? Let's see. Let's see what this is. Hang on. Here they are. And the donuts. Oh, yep. We got the donuts and a pumpkin muffin for your mother. A pumpkin muffin for your mother. We're gonna go out and have the donut roll, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, 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 go. Let's go, 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 go. Move it now, move it, move it. That's the donuts. Who's the donuts? Who's got the donuts? You want the donut? They like the old fashions. That's some good eating right there. Let's see. I'll stand here and we'll have the old donut roll. See, Molly's looking for a donut. Here you go. Here you go. We do the old roll. There you go. She goes. Here you go, Bodie. You want the donut? Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Go get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yeah, they gotta have their donuts in the morning. Molly's already eating. Hey, Molly. Hey, Molly. Yeah, that's right. That's it, Bodie. You eat your donut. That's right. You tell her, get away from my donut. Here we are in the front of the house. It's about 7:05 now. Got to unload the truck. And already, here we go. There we go. Good coverage there. There we go. Welcome to the Northeast, folks. Here we go. Everybody's asleep. 7 a.m. Let's see where the dogs are. Let's see. Gotta unload the truck. Let's see where they are. There's Chuck, hanging out, waiting for breakfast. You hungry there, Spud? You hungry? What are you gonna have? You wanna eat. That's all you know. There's Bodie boy. Let's get ready to rumble. The boy's growing like a weed. Damn, boy. The heck you eating? What the heck you eating? What about you, Chuck? There's Willie. There's Molly. Hey, Willie. You hungry? You guys hungry? I gotta make the breakfast? Alright. Willie has lost a lot of weight. Willie, you dropped about 5 pounds. Easy 5 pounds on the move. They don't know what to do. You gonna go out? What are you gonna do? Where's Bodie? Where is he? There he is. Look at the size of him now. Had him to the vet. 33 pounds just about. He's growing like a weed. You a good boy? Yeah, you are. You a good boy? You hungry? You're hungry, I know you. You're always hungry. You're always hungry. Where's Jack? Anybody else go out? No? Nobody go out? Let's see what's going on. Holy jeez, it's coming down. It's coming down. What the heck's going on here? Get her. Think we'll get anybody up on a Saturday morning? That's right. Let's see here. 7 a.m. and it's just coming down. Coming down. It's a wet snow. Let's see. Got the shovels ready. Linda can start shoveling. We're going to check on the blower. Let's see. The compound is set. What are you doing, Bodes? What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? What are you doing? We're ready to hold up in the compound for about a week. We got enough supplies. All right, talk to you later. And as usual, Chuck's the first one out. That's it, buddy. Just snow. It's just snow. What are you doing, bud? Where'd he go? Chucky boy. There he goes. He's off. Where's Bodie? There he comes. Hey, you. Hey, doggies. Hey, doggies. Right. Shh, quiet. Let's go. Come on. Let's bring in the groceries. And we're good to go. Ready to hold up in the bunker.